What kind of talk is that? How can you stop a wife from seeing the sick husband? I don't understand.
Honestly, me too, I don't understand. I don't understand the kind of treatment that requires the wife not to be with the husband. I've never had it before. And the worst part is that my husband is trying to convince me and my child to go back to the city.
What?
Yes.
Well, I've heard you. We have to trade with caution. Since you said it's a spiritual matter, that they have principles. Well, notwithstanding, I still have to do further investigation. I'll get back to you. Just relax your mind,
Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. Just don't bother yourself. Just relax.
The eyes of the ghost, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mbaseke. Now what do you want to weke weke, spiritual not be physical. Weke weke.
Are you on my side or against me? If you are against me, that means you are among the people fighting against the throne. If you are on my side, why haven't my son obliged to culture and tradition of becoming the king of this great kingdom and bury his father? Answer me, Ure.
My queen, the choice is for him to decide and not me.
You think I don't understand your body language? Eh? Let me tell you. Tonight, my son shall be going to Nweke's house to be with her. If you are among the enemies fighting to make sure that my son loses the throne, that my son loses the chance of becoming the king of this great kingdom, consider yourself a failure.
That is the only way to the throne. Don't act as if you don't know. Look, for me, it's totally unacceptable. And it's not right. How can my man, my own man, sleep with Nweke for him to ascend the throne of his father, his rights and legacy? Ha! It is not called sleeping with Nweke. It is spiritual cleansing. How do you mean? They are all the same thing. Yes. Don't you see when the Olowo was detailing it? It is cheating. A bold daylight cheating. If you are the princess, will you accept to it? In fact, how will he look at the king while knowing what he did to become a king? Then she should leave the palace. Yes, she should leave. There are thousands of maidens in this kingdom that want to be queen. If it's I that was given this great opportunity, I don't even mind if the prince sleeps with Nweke for eternity. As long as I am queen in this palace, it is none of my business. Yes. I know you're kind. People who are always ready to trash their pride because of peanuts. Me? Trash my pride because of peanuts. Ijoma, Madam Pride. Rot with your pride. Nonsense. You too, nonsense. You are supporting evil culture. I am supporting evil culture. Yes. No problem. I know what I am going to do to you. Don't worry. I know what I will do. Get out, I beg. Sometimes you annoy me with these your myopic reasons. How am I even sure if it is a culture? Madam Myopic, bet. Bet. Your days are numbered in this palace. I am going to deal with you. I will make sure you leave this palace. Idiot! You will leave this palace, don't worry.
So this is what has been going on in my company. Dozier. Millions of naira missing in the company and you did nothing about it. Oh, I see. You and Chima has been squandering my money, right? Will you just shut up? What are you saying? You know what, Dozier? You, Chima and Co, I give all of you 24 good hours to give me in a comprehensive detail what happened to 26 million naira, 450,000 naira. I don't understand, how did we get to lose such amount of money in good 2 months? 2 months! What am I even saying? Dozie, I don't want to see you in my office again. I don't want to see you anywhere around my office. Pray I don't get to see you, because it will not be nice.
I want you. I want you. I don't know why you are so stubborn. I want you.
Shut up.
Don't shut me up. Don't shut me up. My job is at risk. We are at risk of going to jail and losing our jobs. I warned you. You didn't listen to me. I told you to stop giving Olivia money. You rented and furnished an apartment for her. As if that was not enough. You placed Olivia herself, her parents, and everybody in her family on monthly salary. What is your problem, Chima? This girl is not even your wife. She's your side chick, for goodness sake.
Oh, don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Just here spitting shit, talking anyhow. Look at you. See who is talking. This same you that sent your wife abroad for studies. You even sent your sister abroad to UK to study medicine or something. This same you, Dozie, bought a sweet Tiaroba car for your girlfriend Mabel. You think I don't know? And you're here pretending, talking anyhow, as if you're a saint. Bro, not annoying me, oh. You're even building a bungalow in your village. You think I don't know all these things, right? You're here pretending and acting like a saint. Bro, not annoying me, oh.
Dozie, it's fine. It's okay. What are we going to do now? This is the prince we are talking about, not the late king. And you know his son is 10 times smarter than his father. Despite all my manipulation, my drafting, I did everything possible to make sure that nobody finds out, and yet he did.
Oh, God. Well, you just found out one out of many we've done. You just found out. That's to say, if he goes further to find out more, he's going to lock us up in jail.
Chiman, are we not there yet? I don't want anything to happen to my job. You know how it is to get a job in this country.
Dozie, calm down. I am Chima, the master planner. We're almost there. Let's go.
Don't you dare say such to my face again, Richard. Why would you gift my mother a car and brainwash her from what I know nothing about? Why?
Well, I'm going to marry you and make you the queen. That's all I know.
This your bragging will never stop. And who convinced you that I, Princess Ure, will ever accept you as a husband?
I am the king that will make you the queen you desire, Princess Ure. Don't you understand? You are my first love and you will be the last. So.
I think I'm beginning to understand what the queen is talking about. But let me tell you, you can dream, sing, desire, but you will never conquer. We are already seated where you are seeking to sit. Be humble and stay out of trouble. My first love, like you said.
Ooh. She's pretty, nevertheless. I can't wait to mess your legs up while I become the king.
Enough of your madness, old auntie. You can deceive the full community, but not me. Release my father. I want him now.
How dare you! You little
miniature brat. You fickle of imagination. How dare you?
Shut up! Don't you in your subconscious mind think I, the light, Choma and Dashiku is afraid of you? You think I don't know what you are doing with my father? Release him now, or you will regret your life.
The eyes of the ghost, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mwamulumba seke. Now what do you want to weke weke, spiritual not be physical. Weke weke, physical not be spiritual. Weke weke, your ginger don't pass over, your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy.
But what is it, Delight?
Mommy, I'm going to confront that witch.
What did you just say? You're going to do what? Are you out of your mind? Come here. There are certain things you shouldn't play with. This is not a joking matter. It's not Tom and Jerry. Do you understand?
Mommy, I had a dream where she killed and tried to attack me. I want to confront her. I want my father out from her pigry, demon-infested house. It is war or nothing.
Delight, I understand you. It's just a dream. It's not real. Do you understand? Stop all these things you're saying. See, there are certain things in life you cannot understand now because you're too young. The physical and the spiritual are two different things. It's not about the English or the grammar your teacher teaches you in school. It's real. This is real life. It's not a joking matter. Please don't say this again. Do you understand?
Mommy, how can someone ban you from seeing your husband, my father? How? And you let it slide?
It's adult things. You're not supposed to be concerned about. Do you understand? Your father is going to get better and he will come back and we'll go back to this city and all these things will end. Do you understand me?
Mommy, you amaze me. I think Auntie DIKACHI needs to hear this.
What? Auntie who? Don't you say that again. Do you understand? Don't say that. You know how your auntie behaves. You know how rational she can be. Don't say that again. Don't even let her hear about this. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Better. Where are you going?
Look, one man. Okritik gaga abu kus anali. Ekwe, you know what to do. My son,
What's wrong?
you are welcome.
Thank you.
Take this. Hold it. Spray it in his office. Make sure he step in. As soon as he inhales the substance, he will be subdued completely. He will do anything you ask him to do.
Wise one, are you sure this will work?
My son, I know you don't know me. I am the greatest Idika of all time. I keep both body and spirit and everything. No mortal or immortal can challenge my powers.
Hi! Hi! Wise one, I like the sound of that.
the greatest Idika. The greatest of all time. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, my son. Remember, spray it all over the office. As soon as he enters, he will be subdued. My money is 200,000. Cash or transfer.
Wise one. Transfer. Have my phone here.
Who is that?
I have not forgotten our agreement, Mbakwe.
Then what is happening? No, I want to understand what is going on. I want you to kill this young man. Get rid of him so that I will have his wife or kick her out.
You will not tell me what to do.
Do you want me to kill him in my house?
But you said you will give him medicine. When you get to the city, he will be taking it and then he will die slowly. What is going on? I am still strong and vibrant and ready to take everything. Yes!
You are faster than your shadow. Go home and stop disturbing my peace. It is not my fault that you refuse to be useful to yourself.
Huh? Like, I want to understand. Are you calling me Waifulefu?
Is there any other name better than that?
Hi.
What I say, this is not fair. It's not. You cannot stop a woman from seeing the husband that is sick. You will not allow her to cook for the husband. That is not good. That's what I'm saying.
I can see that you are against my brother. Yes. I can see it in your eyes. Let me come now for you.
Why are
Oh, is this what you are doing? You don't want my brother to heal faster, right?
Why are you saying that?
Then let me tell you, if you don't know, and stop saying what you don't know. Let me tell you, Ichionu, the healer stopped her from coming to have sexual intercourse with the husband so that the medicine will work faster. Yes!
I did not hear that. Yes, that's not what she told me. She told me the healer stopped her because the daughter challenged her. Yes, that's what she told me.
Then let me tell you, why won't she stop them from coming to that place? When the small girl's mouth is running like what I thought no. She talks too much. What does she know? Nothing. And you're here telling me this. See, Ichionu, I'm respecting you. If you dare stop me on the road like this to say this trash, I will not even respect this red cap again. Like, what will happen? You will not like me.
Blah, 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 blah. You don't you dare talk to me like that. What I'm saying, listen to me. We are not done with this matter. Put yourself in that young lady's shoe. Do you know the psychological depression that young lady is going through? Stopping a lady from seeing her sick husband. Now, let me tell you, talk to that Nweke or whatever you call her. She's not the first herbalist we have in this community. What is wrong with all of you?
Ichionu, did you just stop me?
Yes, I did.
Like, you stopped me?
Yes, I stopped
Why
you.
also? Try it, you will not like me. Just stop me again. May the ghost forbid. The only thing I want to hear is how my brother will be healed. And that is it. Try stopping me now.
Yeah. Mbakwe, I'm beginning to sense something about you. It's all right.
I am going to say this as many times as every one of you wants to hear. I am not going to sleep with Nweke.
I will not do it. It is against my blood, my flesh, and my belief as a royal. My father never slept with her grandmother or her mother for him to succeed my grandfather. This is superstition in a clear jeopardy. I will not do it.
You see, my prince, you have no choice.
You get choice.
Say that again.
I say my king, my prince, get choice. My queen, you no go there inside water make soap enter your eye. You.
Who is this maggot? You dare speak? A common driver?
How dare you speak here? Inanwa, how dare you? Who is this thing?
Oga, respect yourself, oh. You dey feel me? Respect your old age. I fit collect insult from Lolo. No be you, ordinary human be like you when not get doings, when not get levels. I get bad mouth, oh. Mama be like gutter. If I open and why, they smell. Guards!
Mother, DIKACHI here is my personal driver, my personal assistant, and my special advisor.
What?
Yes. Yes. And on this very matter, I declare her office open. That is why she is here. I will not condone any form of insult from anybody.
No way, my prince. You have just desecrated the sanctity of this great palace. And that will not happen. Anyway, let us see how it goes.
You don't go anywhere.
Huh?
Go back, go front, go left, go right, go center. We dey kidigba, nothing dey shele. Make I clear you. This nasty's generation, 100% composure. Bumpy! They feel whine us, but we know they panic.
Hey, this is so disgusting. Ikemefuna. This will not happen in my palace.
Mother, come on, this is happening already. And I love it. She is the real steez. This is superstitious. It is superstitious as a clear jeopardy. I will never do it. But I will do it.
This kingdom will not be taken away from me. You will never cause her to fail.
Baby, I sense trouble. No panic. My sister now, we come from the same place. Nothing they share. See, we can clear you. Fear no dey our DNA. We dey stand gidigba. If you tire, use something waste yourself. You understand? Don't worry, I dey for you. You go be queen. Yeah? Nothing they share.
This kind girl I never see. DIKACHI no dey lose guard. Sapele water. If you don't see, you don't hear. If you don't hear, you don't see. DIKACHI no be mugu at all. DIKACHI.
Ikemefuna. You will not do this to your father. Never.
Mother, I have done nothing to my late father.
You need to be crowned king before you can bury your father, my husband. It is the ritual. What are you trying to do? This kingdom will never fall in your reign.
Mother, I am going to say this over and over again. Nweke, the servant of a deity, will never see my nakedness. And I shall bury my late father, which is why I am here at instance. And lastly, I am going to succeed my father.
You need to sack that buffalo you call your driver or personal whatever. She is a setup for you not to listen to me. Secondly, she is an orchestration from those who does not want you to ascend your father's throne. Get that into your head.
Mother, they said I am weak. They said I am gentle. Some even said I always fail. But Mother, on this one, I will not do it. I will never do it. And for the throne, heaven and earth knows that throne belongs to me. It is mine. Whosoever that wants to take it away from me should try.
No. Ikemefuna, you will not do this. No. You won't do this to your father.
The prince will never utter such.
But we are not here for jokes. We are not joking. No. He said it.
You see, Weke, the prince will not pass through the rituals. It's very obvious. In fact, let us dismiss him from the palace. Of course, Richard is the next to be crowned king.
And I said no. The prince will never decline the ritual process. He dares not. I must sleep with him. It is only by laying with me that he will be fit to bury our late king. That is the word of the gods. And all man must obey.
Peradventure he disobeyed.
Then it shall be his death.
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake, your ginger don't pass over, your swagger don't pass over. Take it easy, holy. The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuze, wake,
Weke, I am in serious pain, Weke. This thing is getting worse.
More reason to stop seeing your wife.
I've asked her not to come here again. I've asked her to go back to the city. In fact, she's coming to fetch the car so she can drive back to the city with it.
What car?
My car, of course.
You know what? We'll talk about this later. I have an unfinished business.
On the mention of your name, everybody
And the pain?
Oh no. I've said this. Oh, the only solution is to dismiss this young man from the palace. Eh? The prince is not fit. He's not fit. You can understand that he doesn't want to do what Weke said. Eh? And we are still keeping him.
You know what baffles me? It's the driver. Eh? Making a woman his special advisor. My position, my office has been taken away. Eh?
That is more reason why I said we should make Richard our king.
No. That will not happen. It will not happen, Ichi Okafor. But let us see how it goes. If the prince did not leave the palace and proceed for the rituals, we'll take him out.
Yes. From my findings, I discovered that my son's driver is from this kingdom. Chieze.
Yes, I am aware of that. Her late father, Ubumba, was a first-class chief here before his passing.
I am not here for this history. Queen Ugonna, it seems you and your daughter orchestrated a meticulous plans against my son from doing the needful that will enable him become the king. You people brought in a mad dog into my palace that presented herself as a driver, a personal advisor, and personal assistant to my son. Is that your plan?
How dare you? How dare you, Queen Amarachukwu? What do you take me for? Okay. Because you want your son to be king. Listen, my daughter will not marry your son. He can go ahead and sleep with all the vipers and the cobras in your community just for him to be the king. We do not care. My daughter cannot be ridiculed into such smelling practice.
Mothers, my queens, right in my presence.
Shut up. You are here watching your mother open her dirty mouth to insult a culture she knows nothing about.
Get out.
You are a disgrace.
Get out! Look at her. You will allow your son to sleep with a deity. Worshipper! Just because you want him to be king. Useless woman. Rubbish. Sit down.
Brother, stop complaining. Stop complaining. I don't like this. Eh? You complain too much. A few minutes ago, you told me all is well. And now you are still complaining. What's the problem?
Mbakwe, I am in so much pain. This treatment is not working.
No, brother, no, it's working. I disagree with you. It is working. Look at it now. Eh? It wasn't like this the time you came to this place. Look at that side. Look at that place. It's almost gone. Look at it. And you are telling me it's not working. Brother, stop this now. Stop saying negative things about yourself. Don't you know the more the pain, the faster it heals? So stop complaining. It's working. Look at it. It's working.
Mbakwe, I don't understand what is happening to me again. I don't understand. Where is my wife?
Eh?
Where is my daughter? Osim, why haven't they brought me lunch? I am weak and I am hungry. I need food.
Hi. Brother, can we stop talking about your family? Eh? Let's talk about your health. We're talking about your family. Did you just say food?
Stop talking about my family, you say. What are you talking about, Mbakwe? Stop talking about my wife and my daughter. What are you saying exactly?
Brother, listen. We should be talking about... In fact, I thought you asked them to go back to the city.
What? Me? When? What are you talking about?
I thought you asked them to go back to... That, like, I want to understand.
Where is my wife and my daughter? I need them. Go and get me my wife and my daughter. I want to see them. And let them come with food.
Food.
I am hungry.
Food. You see it? That's the bottom line of this thing. Food. The kind of food you eat too much, brother. Stop. Just bring it down. I'm sure the way she gives you food, the way she feeds you here, that's why this thing is not even healed completely. Why? Eh?
Mbakwe, go and get me my wife and my daughter and my lunch. If not, on Kowagisi.
Food.
Go and get me my wife and my daughter.
The way you eat, brother, please, you have to cut it down. Eh? I'm
not getting myself here.
How will you get yourself when you eat too much, brother? It's well. I can see it's the food you need.
If not for one thing now, go off easy.
My queen, I am sorry. I did not mean it that way. Please forgive me. My queen, you know me in this palace. Since I came to this palace, I have never lied. You see this girl? She said that Nweke is stupid. She called Nweke a prostitute that wants to sleep with the prince. All in the name of tradition. Uju? Hey! My queen, I did not say that, so I swear.
Henceforth, you are demoted. You are no longer the head of the maidens. Do I make myself clear? Uju, make sure you put an eye on her. Yes, any more gossip from you, you'll be fired.
Please forgive me.
Shut up! Uju, my queen. Henceforth, you are the head of the maidens.
Yes, my queen.
Make sure you discharge your duties properly.
Yes, my queen.
One more thing. Keep an eye on her.
I will, my queen.
It's alright.
I am going to serve you with all sincerity.
It's alright. You may now go.
Thank you, my queen.
Be warned. Be warned. Anya, stop! Don't ask you to get up. Are you stupid? You will remain there.
Uju, hey! Get up! Get up! Uju, please help me and beg the queen. Did I not tell you that I am going to deal with you? Now you are going to go into the kitchen, wash all the plates. After that, enter the prince's room, clean everywhere, sparkly clean. Did you hear me? Hold your ear. Hold your ear. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Get out. Get out!
Priestess, wake, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake, and your ginger don't pass over.
Evil friend, Any Merenia, you have taken over her position, right? Is not what you wanted all your life? But let me tell you, a piece of meat that hangs between the teeth can never fill up the mouth. You can never match the same level and love we all have for Ijoma. Ijoma is still the best. You don't get to her personality.
Are you done?
I'm done. Are you mad? Do you know who I am? I am the head of maidens in this palace. Do you want me to report you to the queen and get you flogged and fired? Are you mad? I'm sorry. Please. You are the best. You are the head maidens. You must be a fool. Let them get me fired. I will get another job. But for you, I pity your destiny. You think I'm afraid of you? Dare slap me one more time and see if I will not chop off your fingers.
Slapped you. Chop off my fingers.
You are trying me.
Yes.
Don't slap me again. You are trying me in this palace.
What will you do?
What will I do? You want to see it? Okay. Yeah.
You cannot fool me. I am your mother. You cannot fool me, you or anyone else.
Mother Prince Ikemefuna will not sleep with Nweke.
Is that what they told you? That is a mirage. They are lying to you. You know, love has blinded your eyes, but I will unveil it for you to see. Yes. Listen, before you go to that palace again, you must take my permission. In fact, you don't even need to take permissions from me because you will not go to that palace again.
Mother, why?
This is final. And I will not talk about this again. Oh, Richard.
My queen.
You're welcome. Please sit down.
Greetings.
Greetings, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, my queen. Is there anything the matter? I hope I didn't interrupt you.
No, you did not. It's just mother and daughter fracas. You know it happens now. Happens in every family.
I see.
So, how are you doing?
As you can see, I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm good. Let me get you. Who is there? Get me. Oh, sorry. Brandy or champagne?
Vodka.
Oh, vodka.
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 Yeah, vodka.
Oh, I'm used to champagne, you know.
I see.
Who is that? Swaporuchi. Swaporuchi.
Is there anything you want me to do to lighten up your mood? Because you don't seem to be happy at all.
Richard, I don't want to sound like an ingrate, but what are you doing? What is your mission?
Well, you're going to be my queen, so you deserve a royal treatment from a royal king to be.
You need to wake up from that dream. We can't be king and queen. I'm not even dragging that because even if you do become a king of whichever kingdom, you can't be mine. I'm taking Richard. Why don't you erase that from your mind because it won't work?
Princess Ure, I can't allow you to get married or be a queen to a weakling. To someone who is so fragile. Someone who has stooped himself so low to lay with a priestess of a deity. He doesn't deserve to be a man or a king. You're my queen. And like I said, I will make you the queen you've ever desired as my love.
It's obvious you are single, Richard. It's obvious. Why not up into a studio and get a record for yourself? Believe me, you will do well. You need to stop this madness. Take your stupid self out of my palace now. Out!
Princess Sure, you're asking the king of almost a kingdom to leave your father's palace? Is that noble?
I don't care. Out!
Pharaoh.
I said get out.
I want you to know that I still love and care for you. I'm always there when you need me. Don't forget, the earlier you make the decision, the better for you.
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise. Because I'm wise. You cannot outsmart the ghost. You cannot run faster than your shadow.
Delight, get up, let's go. Are you not hearing me? I said get up, let's go. We are going back to the city.
My father has to come with us.
Well, your father said we should go back to the city, and that is what we are going to do. So get up, let's go. What is it?
I want to stay with my father.
Well, your father said we should go back to the city. And when he is well enough, he will come back to the city to us. So let's go.
I'm not going anywhere. Go alone.
What do you mean, Delight?
Priestess, wake, 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 wake. Spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, wake.
Wake. The mouthpiece of the gods. The goddess of our land. Please, we are trying to settle this matter.
Mother, do not lie. We are not settling any matter. There is no issue to be settled. Nweke, what brings you to this palace?
Prince Ikemefuna, it is time. I am here for you to follow me to my chambers. The ritual commences tonight, up until 7 days. Do not keep the gods waiting.
Am I going to lay with you?
Yes,
Never.
that is the process. Come on, come on, Cisco. Paulina, Cisco. Lekwa Paulina. Lekwa Nanya. Just talk say you won't sleep with the prince. My oga dey enter your eye, no go work for you. Which one be it's the process? You dey honey, you won't knock my oga. You dey bring gods and goddesses into the matter, it no go work for you. You won't collect royal bola. All the village boys no reach you. You run come palace because you won't collect royal prick. I no go grief for you. Calm down no, because this one has scope. You dey honey. You dey honey. Polly. Come on. You no go DIKACHI. Shut up. Honey Polly. Honey Polly. What do you want? What's happening? How dare you? How dare you blaspheme the gods? Paulina, you no fear, you slap me. My dream won't come to pass now. That thing why the fear is won't come to pass. Anger they sleep, you go wake am up. My vexation they sleep. Paulina, you go wake am up. You go feel it. Feel am. Feel am. It dey hot. Give me back. Where she go? Where the idiot go? Now today we dey see disappearing. Where you go? God, if I don't kill your papa, you dey mad. Where she go? DIKACHI. I please don't they call me. This girl go slap me. You don't be I dey come. Where she go? If I not vanish now, where she there? If I not kill you, did I not kill you? Paulina! Paulina!
Bika!
Milo!
What is happening now? Why are you shouting?
You there here?
I'm here now.
Where Paulina? Where that fake native doctor where like Bola pass her life? Where she there?
I don't know. What is happening?
How your leg?
I'm still in pain, DIKACHI.
You see they pay you?
Stupid.
You see that native doctor, she be fake girl. She be fake. In fact, she must die today. Begin to call ambulance because now her dead body, now na go carry today. Your kingdom, our kingdom must bury Paulina today. She don't commit she don't price and she must buy. Hey! Paulina! You go come out here. You hear me? Now fake! Paulina!
DIKACHI!
Paulina!
DIKACHI!
Paulina!
Do you want to fight with the spirit?
Paulina! Paulina! Paulina!
DIKACHI, do you realize that you have bitten more than you can chew?
Oh, Petweke. See this one. You think that everybody this your juju go cash? You think that everybody your juju they cash? Oh, you not go for your own word, go ask who I be. You supposed ask questions. I'm not be ordinary person, no. You be from water, I be from fire. Anybody where price must buy. You know they fair, you see they do Amabi? You see they... There she there. See you. Small bottle of tea like this, you vamoose. Yeah, you there, don't be for you. There she there. Polly? No! Agabidu! She has stabbed me and she must pay! Agabidu! No! 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 Paulina! I hear you wrong, huh? strong, you get brother, you get power. Why you dey vanish up and down? You look me finish, you don't respect me, you tear me slap. You dey craze? Why you vanish? What you make you dey vanish up and down? Stay one place, make I kill you. I think say you get steeze and composure. I think say you get morale, you strong. Why you dey run up and down? If you vanish there for river national, they go say I don't kill their what's it they call again? Bola collector Abina. Wetin you be? Who you be? I don't know what you be to me, oh. Talk! You dead me! You will die! There she go. Paulina! Now me you choke. You no fear, it don't be for you. You the mad. I got to say. You the mad. You the crest. You the crest. You the crest. You no fear you won't choke me. You don't be smart enough. If I don't die, God go punish you and this your dirty shit. Punish your God, eh? All this your nonsense gods. And they go sell them for main markets. And I go sell them for very cheap money. Now 500 naira I go sell all of them. They're mad. They're crazy.
This kind girl I never see. DIKACHI no dey lose God.
No way. I said no way. Your driver must face the wrath of the gods for insulting our priestess. She must be punished.
Elders.
She must be punished for insulting our priestess.
You brought a mad woman to come against me. You brought a lunatic to attack me. I see. You have dared the gods. You have dared a bargainer. Tonight, you must present yourself to my abode. And as for DIKACHI, she is already dead for daring me, for daring the great Weke of Abagana, the Idudu of Umunze kingdom, the daughter of a python, the one who speaks and the kingdom trembles. Abagana!
You lie! You lie! Nweke, I will never have sex with you. I will say it as many times as possible. I will never have sex with you.
And then you will not be our king. I will not crown you the king of Umunze kingdom for insulting our culture.
Nweke, my elders, please, have mercy on my son. Spare my son, please, I beg you. No! No way! We shall see where this would end. My elders, please, help me.
Now, you see what you've done to yourself? Have you seen it? You'll be dismissed from this palace. You will be dismissed from this palace. Oh no, let's go.
My elders, please help me. Have you seen what you have done? Have you seen what you have done to yourself? I am worried. Don't touch me. Listen to me now. I would not want to see that lunatic in this compound again. I don't want to see that idiot, that mad woman. Listen to me. Why am I even saying this? She should be dead by now. Then, all your effort not to do the needful will pass away.
Mother, why are you joining these people to rant? You know what? I think you need some rest.
He came. No! No, he came here. He came, come back here! No, my brother must hear this. I need to call my brother. I need to call your uncle. He came, come back here. He came.
This is unbelievable.
Wait, Cheroko. Mbakwe, what kind of power does that driver possess that makes her to attack Nweke like this? If I I am short of words. In fact, I don't even understand what is going on in that palace.
Ichokaf, my own is that I want Weke, the healer, to get rid of Obinna. Yes, that is what in our culture. Am I the first person saying this kind of thing? What are you doing as if you don't know what's happening? Listen, I want her to get rid of Obina. His own is becoming too much. Just the small money he gave to me to buy a piece of land. I must show him the piece of land, or I give him back the money. Which money? Ego Genese. Which money? Money that I used to help myself, and is demanding for the money. So let the healer, let Weke get rid of Obina. Oh boy!
Is that why you want Weke to kill Obina? Ala kupulo tele.
Kita kena wata same na me. Hi.
It's all right. But to me,
yeah,
I want the prince and the mother to leave the palace. But wait. Are you sure that Nweke struck that driver to death? Because when she vanished, it looked as if she ran away. I saw that thing from...
It's your careful. You see, sometimes I begin to wonder if you and Ichiono are in the same vein. Yes! Sometimes I begin to wonder if you take small apurachia, like apura. Oh, you can never to small. You see, you take all these small things. That's why you don't understand the things going on in this our community. With due respect, sir. Please, are you out of your mind? So stop saying things like this.
I know me, but why should she vanish instead of killing the driver? If
there is power. There is power. All I want is for Weke to get rid of Obina.
I'm beginning to doubt Weke's power.
You're beginning to?
I'm beginning to doubt that power. Common driver couldn't do anything.
Now I see. You and Ichiono are in the same vein, right? Kinda, no problem.
This kind of girl I never see.
Oh, nice.
DIKACHI no dey lose God. Sapele water. If you don't see, you don't hear. If you don't hear, you don't see. DIKACHI no be.
Weke, I want to see my wife. I want to see my daughter. I want to see my family, Weke. I miss them and I want to see them.
Enough! I am your only wife. I am your everything. Do you hear me? Am I understood?
Weke! I am healed! I am healed! Weke! I am healed! I am healed! Weke! My Lord! I am healed! I am healed! Oh, God, so alive! I am healed! My Lord!
Don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. It is
How did she survive my death message power? How? Who is this woman? What kind of power does she possess? She disgraced me in the palace, disgraced me on the road, and now in my shrine? No. I must make sure I take her off. I must. If not, the people will revolt against me. They will say I don't have powers. They will never believe in me again. All my desire to lay with the prince, to feel him inside of me, this lunatic wants to twat it. No. No! I must cross the 7 rivers again.
I must deal with her. Yes, I must. She must not go free from my wrath. She will never.
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake, your ginger don't pass over, your swagger don't pass over. Chai, it is holy.
This what happened. DIKACHI almost killed your priestess. Mweke, she vanished.
Chima,
Eh?
you have joined them now. It's because I am a man. No.
If you have problem with me, what happened? See, let me tell you something. Eh? Your priestess, she does not have strength. Your role model, they give her one slap, her gods left her behind. They play.
No matter the matter, Nweke is still the best. She's the strongest and she's working according to the direction of the gods. I'm sure of that.
See, I've told all of you in this palace that all power belongs to God. Leave all these things people are doing. If you believe in Nweke, you're on your own.
Nweke is the best.
Nweke is the best.
Yes. Just go. I don't want us to have issue.
See my hands, they are clean.
Go.
I'm going inside.
Nweke is the best.
This is what's happening. Eh? Who are you to come to our family, our house, this very house, and open your mouth to say that? Who are you?
Wait, who I be? No, you dey ask me who I be. You dey mad? You dey ment?
Yeah.
You dey crazy?
DIKACHI, please. DIKACHI, please, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I go enter you. I don't well. Go ask question. What did they walk you?
Yes, give it to him. Lizzy.
See, I sit down and I go talk am again. My in-law must come out from Nweke house. I'm putting on the corner. My in-law must come out from there. I get better place where I go carry am go. That stupid priestess, stupid Paulina, I want to sleep with my in-law. I don't agree. I not tell you.
Yes, you did.
I not clear you.
You did.
What do you want tell me? My in-law must come out from that place. Oh. That priestess Nweke, I go waste time. No. I go kill her. I don't get joy.
DIKACHI, hey, calm down.
I go kill her.
Please calm down.
One.
Hey. Please, it hasn't gotten to that level. Please calm down. And we'll sort this thing out.
Auntie, it has passed this level. Don't mind my mother. She's just too scared for my liking.
No, you have said your mind. No problem. Akuna. So you brought your sister here to help kill my elder brother, okay?
No, Mbakwe, how can you say that?
Okay, oh, is that what you're saying?
No, it's not like that now.
It's like what? And you, if you have the guts, you have the mind, go there and bring him. No, go and pull him out of that place and you will see what will happen to you. Go!
The man.
Look at my
Yes!
Hold your feet.
I force you. Man, let's you. I go beat your way.
Akuna!
DIKACHI, easy. DIKACHI, please. Hey! DIKACHI, because... Hey! DIKACHI, please, oh! Hey! Shut up! DIKACHI, please. DIKACHI! Hey! DIKACHI!
And where are you sneaking to at this time of the night?
Mom, Prince Ikemefuna is in danger. The whole palace is on fire because he rejected the priestess' demand. I need to be with him, please.
You need to be with him. As what? Firefighter or what? Huh? Are you not getting it into your thick skull that Lola Marachuku's son will not be your husband?
Mom, stop, please. It's time to fight for what I want. To fight together with my man. It's time. You can't cage an adult like me in this house since morning. I need to be with him, please. I need to fight with my man. Blood and water we fight.
You are not fighting with any man. You are not fighting with anybody. Listen, Lola Marachi wants your head on a platter, and over my dead body will I allow you to do that?
Mom.
Get back to your room.
Mom, please.
Get back to your room and stay put there. Good night.
Mom, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to my room.
Really?
Come. Come to me. Come. 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 I decide your fate. You belong to me. Come. Come make sweet love to me. Come. Come make sweet love to me. Make love to me. Make love to me. Prince Ikemefuna shall be crowned king of Umunze kingdom. And after 3 months, he will fall ill and die. I have already killed him spiritually. He is only but a walking corpse.
Good, Weke. And after, I shall be the king.
That's not the plan.
What was the plan? You want to be the king?
Yes, now. The original plan was that Richard will be the king now. You all know, you can't be the king.
Says who? Who said I cannot be the king?
You can't be the king.
Richard will become king. No.
No way. Weke, I said no way. Eh? After getting to this very point, you want me to lose the throne? It can never happen. You know, we had an agreement before Richard came into the picture. In a call again. Get him in a call. Eh? Not when I'm.
Do anyone wants to be the king?
No, nobody. Of course, you are the king.
Together, we shall rule this kingdom.
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. I don't know, wake, physical.
Ikemefuna, look at me, look at your mother. Please don't do this to me. You are all I've got. What is all this? Ikemefuna. Dikachi, please hurry up.
My prince,
help me. Help me, please. Please do something.
Chop on. If you chop this or you go wet.
Dikachi, do something. Dikachi, do something now, please. Please, do something.
I'm not going to do it again. Please, don't die.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Hey, Ikemefuna. Hey, Dikachi, help me. Hey, what did I go? Help me. Dikachi, help me. Dikachi, help me. Ikemefuna, look at your mother. Look at your mother. Ikem. Hey, Dikachi. Dikachi, help me. Dikachi, help me. Hey, help us all. Help us. Hey, Ikem.
I can't eat this. I've not eaten this kind of food before.
Listen, you're wasting my time. It's that food. It's that food!
Daddy, I can't eat this food.
Hey. You have to eat that food. Stop wasting my time.
I can't. I've not eaten this kind of food before.
Don't allow me to use slap and reset your face. Now you stupid. I said you should eat that food. Listen, eat this food. These are how dogs eat. You're my dog. Okay. Eat this food. Eat. Stop shouting and eat food. Eat. Hold on. Hey, look up. Have you backed this morning?
Back? I'm not a dog. I'm a human being.
You stupid. I said you are my dog. You're my dog. Why do you allow me repeating myself? Now, back for me. Back for daddy.
I don't know how to back, Daddy.
Back for daddy!
I don't know how to back.
Back for daddy. Are you stupid? Back. Back.
I will.
Let me hear it. What kind of a puppy backing is that? Eh? Back like a bingo. Let me hear it. It's coming up, but not very impressive. Okay, back like a Jimmy.
I don't know what is Jimmy now. Please, Daddy, please.
Hey, look at me. Back like a Jimmy. Ensure you add bass on it. Why are you putting treble in the backing now? Eh? Stop getting me angry. Stop getting me angry. Are you stupid? Back like a bingo.
I'm sorry, I will back.
Add more volume. Add more volume on that. Good. Okay, now be backing and follow me. Back and... Oh yeah, be coming. I say back and be coming. Be backing. Be backing, you're my dog. Be backing.
DIKACHI, I have come to warn you. Ah, shut up, who you the one? But you carry your two left leg on my house. Wait, you won't warn me, Abi? I dey come make you warn me properly. Wait for me. Where she go? Paulina! Hi! I forgot her neck. I'm no quick, I forgot her neck. Her neck for touch ground. Paulina! Polly! Why you not stay? Why you run? Make I catch you again, don't worry. It go be for you.
Priestess, wake.
A lot is hidden. Do not fight against my blood, or else you will suffer a terrible loss. I am certain true revelation will change your mind.
shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished.
We have dismissed this royal house. You see, Cain is not fit to be our king. Yes, because he has blasphemed and disobeyed the order from the gods. So I had to go no.
Yes, Lolo. We have no... There's nothing we can do about it.
Mbano. Omego. Omego.
Then who will not be the king?
Richard of course. He will be our king. And he will bury your husband, our late king. That's the decision of the elders.
I decided.
I see. Excuse me.
Okay.
Cannot. If I dare see you anywhere around this palace again, you will join my husband.
You see, you're prepared.
More than you think. Out!
If you dare touch me one more time, I'll behead you.
Move out! Out!
Lolo!
Out! Get out! Fools! Bunch of fools! Diala, Diala!
Obinna.
Oh. Uncle.
Hey, I'm happy you're fine.
As you can see, Uncle, I'm fine now. How come you look surprised? Or are you part of those people that don't want me to walk around with my legs again?
Bano, how can you say that?
Oh, come on.
I'm happy for you. And I know that your wife will be very happy that you have bounced back. It's time to go to the city. But I don't understand. Why are you washing Wake's clothes?
Why am I washing my wife's clothes? Which one is This is my wife's clothes that I'm washing. Mpabiko, to say here.
Hey!
I need to finish this clothes before she gets back. I don't want problem.
Obinna, Obinna! Hey! Hey!
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake.
I saw everything. Their ill plans. The kingdom was taken away from us. I saw it. May the gods forbid. My son, your father said you are fighting a good cause. This is not tradition.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
Good morning, my prince. How are you? I'm okay. Good morning, my prince. Lolo, good morning.
DIKACHI.
Sorry, sir, I come late over there. Handle some things for my house. No verse.
DIKACHI.
Lolo.
Protect the prince.
You were right.
Mother, I will see you when I get back.
It's okay, my son. Take care of yourself.
And you too.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished. What you think you know, someone else knows it more than you.
It has happened. When I was telling you, you said I don't care about your brother. I don't want your brother to it has happened. Your brother and Nweke is now officially married.
Eh?
I say your husband and wife. Is there anything you can remove from me?
Ichon,
Eh?
what did you just say now?
Mbagwe, I was telling you that an elder is sitting down. If a young man climbs the Iroko tree, you will not see it. Your brother introduced Nweke to me as his wife. That they are now married officially.
Mba! Tiakwa! Ichon, are you arranging something or you are telling me this?
I am telling you the truth. If you want to see, let me go and show you so you will see with your eyes.
Ichon,
Where are you running to? I will be the one to take you there. Because when I was telling you, you don't want to listen. What I was seeing, you were not seeing it. Come, let me take you there.
Hey!
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical.
Hey, look at Obi. Obinna! Hey! Look at Obinna.
Uncle. Hey! Brother Obinna, what are you doing?
What, did something enter his eyes?
I don't know now. You explain to him what is going on.
As you can see, I'm cooking for my wife.
Let me inform you. Look at all those clothes you are seeing there. He's the one that washed all of them.
He's Yogu.
Is there any law that is stopping me from marrying anybody that I want to marry in this village?
No, that is not what he's saying. He's saying for clarity's sake.
What clarity's sake?
Who is your wife? That's what he's saying. That is the question.
Nweke is my wife.
Hey! Hey! Mbakwe! Hey!
Plans have scattered. Plans have scattered. Hey! Brother Obinna, you mean she healed you and then you decided to marry her?
Eh? Is there any problem with that one? Uncle? That the healer healed me and I decided to marry her. What is wrong with that one?
Mbakwe? Mbakwe? I told you.
Uncle Biko,
your brother is now married.
Please, come and start going. Let me finish what I'm doing.
Congratulations. Nweke in-law. Congratulations. Mbakwe, I told you.
Biko, I have to finish this thing. Please. Hey, Biko. I'm saying there is no time to you. You are there wasting my time. What nonsense is this one? Am I not allowed to marry who I want to marry?
I have been trying to reach your phone, but you're not picking. Your mom is not picking too. My love, I am not going to do that. I'll call you back, please.
My prince, I beg no vex say I won't put mouth for love matter. You don't see why you don't they make this call. You don't they make the call till we reach here. Eh? I beg you give me 2 seconds. Ma rush go that palace. Ma talk to the queen. She be very understanding woman. You dey innocent. Nobody won't use you. If I talk to her, I believe say she will believe me.
Dikachi, please. Do whatever you can. Whatever it takes. I want my princess back. I want my love back. Her mother cannot just break my heart this way. Please, you have my permission. Just do anything.
Okay, sir. Ma rush there.
Okay.
And why did you lock up our office?
I beg your pardon.
Don't you dare try me. Don't try me. Do you understand? Now, I command you to hand over our office keys to me right now.
Tick. Good boy. Good praise.
Listen, you have to transfer 18 million naira to my personal account. And how dare you freeze the company's account because of your stupid audit?
It's true. Now I command you, unfreeze it
Right now.
Now!
And what are you trying to do?
Calling the bank officer.
Oh, amazing.
Please be fast.
Yes, sir. Done.
Good place.
Officers, go on to these criminals. Bunch them up!
What have you taken? What have you smoked? What did you plant in you that made you think your charms or juju will subdue me? Officers, every dime they have stolen from this company, they will have to refund them. Back into my account! I don't want to hear any other thing. Take them out of this place! Please. Get out, please! Take them out of this place! Please!
Gentlemen, please, follow us to the station.
My keys!
Please, it's not like that. Move, please. Don't let me explain. Don't let me rough handle you. Move it. It's not like that. Please, please. Move it, young man.
Officer, do your job.
If you know what wahala, make you know near her side. If you dey color, DIKACHI dey go gaga. No talk say you no know. If you no know, you dey see. If you no see, you dey hear.
What happened to our shrine? Wake! 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 Wake, you can't do this to me now.
Paulina no be herbalist. I don't want to be herbalist. Now mama now I know say they cure people. Oh. No be Paulina. Ha! Make you not go scatter your husband remaining leg. Oh. Come marry your husband. You better reject this thing. Reject him.
I reject it in the name of God. God forbid. Which one is marry my husband? How can a herbalist marry my husband? Why would you even say a thing like that?
See, the person who suggests this idea give you, you don't know what they do. No be Paulina, I too know that girl. I sabi am, and she knows say I know am. See, I go. You go better make una allow me make I carry my in-law go another place where they go treat him. Because even if Paulina succeed in treating that man, Paulina too like man. You go marry him.
Clean your mouth, Aveg. Stop saying this thing you're saying. Which one is you go marry him? Why are you even saying it? Please stop saying it. There is power in the tongue.
I know, leave power in the tongue. I know what I talk. You know Paulina reach me. I go the advice that you no go hear until it go happen. Your husband tall, fresh, come fine. Ha! Paulina, when I know. Your husband don't go.
Why are you even talking like this? Am I the one that took him there? It's uncle that took him there. Or do you want them to say that I don't want my husband to be
you?
healed?
Sometimes you go to use your sense.